Alright, so I got a trade, my end of a trade here. I traded away my Sterling 3916 or 3926, something like that. Some skeleton, but it was gold plated and I didn't really care for it. I had right around $60 in that watch. And my supposed new old stock Raketa Arctic SP1 24-hour watch, which I had about 90 in. So I guess I'm $150 into this trade, plus I shipped it, which was $10 to get for shipping to him. So this is $160. Let's see what I got. Alright, so we got a G-Shock GA100C. It's got the baby blue hands on it. Needs a little cleaning, but nothing is chunked out of it. Looks pretty good shape. I've now worn this watch to work a couple of times, and that's a pretty comfortable watch up. I don't have any problem with that watch. I enjoy that one pretty good. And I got, oh, there's nothing in here. That's concerning. Oh, it's in here. You just put it separate from the box so it wouldn't get damaged. Oh, I thought this was just a bracelet. And we got a supposed RXW. Ooh, looks like it's got some moisture inside of it, so I'll have to get this watch apart and see if there's damage from the moisture inside. Can't imagine that's a pry-up case. If this is for some reason a real RXW, it's a decently valuable watch. I'm not certain that it is. I thought that if it was an RXW, this would be pressed in there, not laser cut. But we'll see. I'll get into it and see what the movement is. Well, I don't believe that this is likely a very authentic RXW. RXW is supposed to have a Swiss movement, and I don't think that that's probably Swiss. Here's a little better view of this Counterfeit RXW, which it was stated to be in fairly rough condition when we were making the trade. So the condition was nothing I was worried about. Looks like a pretty cool watch. You know, from the outside, the dial looks pretty close to what I've seen, but as you open it up, pretty clear this is not what the dial says. There's no way that movement is Swiss. It's supposed to be, I believe, an ETA 2428, and it is just unmarked Chinese. But let's see if it runs at all decent. And the seller and I have come to an agreement. He's going to send me a Vostok Commander Sky to kind of flesh out the deal, so it's not a bad experience for anybody. Well, it's got a bit of beat error, but you know, it's not gaining or losing 4 minutes a day or anything crazy like that. But that's just one position. Let's see what it does when I turn it. Yeah, all in all, I'm a little disappointed that it's not an actual RXW. I think it would have been cool to have one of those, but you know, it is what it is, and the seller and I came to a good agreement, so no hard feelings, just a little bit of a bummer.